Hey, what's going on, everybody? This is your man, FitTech Wellness Coach Mike, signing in for another week. We are week 7, and this week we are going to talk a little bit about the fasting schedule and where you may be. So we are at a 3, 16, 8, 2, 90-minute window. That's 3 days out of the week, same way it was last week. 3 days out of the week, 16 hours fasting, 8 hours window of feeding. And within those 8 hours, you have two 90-minute windows. So you can have two 90-minute windows of eating within that 8 hours, and try not to snack in between. And then 2 days of 1 meal a day. Okay, so unless I have you on a customized plan. Okay, so this is just for the generic um, layout. But if I have you on a customized plan, then follow what I have you on. Okay. We're also talking about increasing your fasting and reducing your carbs. So we're on the increased fat and reduction of carbs. And again, I want to remind you that this is not an increase of bad fats. This is just an increase of your natural fats, your olive oils, your coconut oils, your avocados, your flax seeds, your omega 3s. Um, if you do omega 3 supplements or get it through food, um, you know, and then some of your other fats, maybe your natural grass-fed butter, things like that. Maybe your ghee, but you don't want to increase the bad fats. Um, and so reducing the carbs, guys, this is not complicated. All you're doing is, increasing your fats. And increasing them doesn't mean overload. It just means eat more than what you normally have eaten, and reduce the bad carbohydrates. This is not complicated. Do not make this complicated. When you go and listen to other things and other opinions, and you hear all this extreme stuff, all these fats are bad, or all this is bad, or you shouldn't do this. Remember what I told you in the beginning. This program is not designed to make you eat a certain way. This is just to educate you and to help you attempt something that may help you from what wasn't working before. Okay? So we're not forcing you to eat a certain way. We're just giving you a different option and some education on an alternative that may be able to help you break through plateaus. But if you think about what we're doing, it's not dramatic. Okay, it's not dramatic. It is simple. You're increasing your fats and you're reducing your sugars. That's it. And moderating your protein. That's all we're doing. Okay. Exercise. Increase your exercise a little bit. Do some walking. Do some light stuff. Increase your exercise. Don't get too strenuous, but you want to exercise on your feeding days. Okay. For now. Later, we'll switch over to exercising on our fasting days. But for now, exercise on your feeding days. Okay? Well, that's it, guys. Remember, don't make this thing too complicated. Enjoy your food, right? Don't make it too strict. Enjoy your food. Have fun. Um, and just increase your options of foods to eat. And don't make it too rigid. Okay? Let's talk if you have questions. And we'll see you next week. All right, this is your man, FitTech Wellness Coach Mike, signing out. Peace.